Question number 1. Which is the most accurate pulse rate assessment if the stethoscope is there? Option A. Carotid pulse. Option B. Radial pulse. Option C. Apical pulse. Option D. Femoral pulse. And the answer is option C. Apical pulse. Question number 2. The immunoglobulin which crosses placenta. Option A. Immunoglobulin E. Option B. Immunoglobulin D. Option C. Immunoglobulin A. Option D. Immunoglobulin G. And the answer is option D. Immunoglobulin G. Immunoglobulin G. It is the only immunoglobulin which crosses placenta. Helps in fighting bacterial and viral infections. Question number 3. The method of holding ear while auditory examination in children is: Option A. Upward and backwards. Option B. Upward and forward. Option C. Downward and backwards. Option D. Downward and forwards. And the answer is option C. Downward and backwards. In children, the method of holding ear is downward and backwards. In adults, the method of holding ear while ear examination is upward and backwards. Question number 4. A hospitalized bedridden patient is having bed sore. The nurse has to clean the wound from: Option A. Inner to outer. Option B. Outer to inner. Option C. Dominant side to non-dominant side. Option D. None of them. And the answer is option B. Outer to inner. The method of cleaning contaminated wounds from outer to inner. The method of cleaning clean wounds like surgical wounds from inner to outer. Question number 5. In labor room, while doing suctioning of newborn, the priority is for: Option A. Nose first. Option B. Mouth first. Option C. Ear first. Option D. Eyes first. And the answer is option B. Mouth. While performing newborn suctioning, first to do mouth suctioning, then goes to nose in order to prevent aspiration. Question number 6. Which scenario is correct? Option A. Negative Babinski reflux is normal in adult and positive Babinski reflex is normal in children's. Option B. Negative Babinski reflex is abnormal in adult and positive Babinski reflex is abnormal in children's. Option C. Positive Babinski reflex is normal in adult and negative Babinski reflex is normal in children's. Option D. None of the above. And the answer is option A. Negative Babinski reflux is normal in adult and positive Babinski reflex is normal in children's. Question number 7. The largest immunoglobulin is: Option A. IgA. Option B. IgG. Option C. IgM. Option D. IgE. And the answer is option C. IgM. The largest immunoglobulin or macroimmunoglobulin is IgM. Question number 8. Which of the following is not a contraindication of nasogastric tube insertion? Option A. Mid-phase trauma. Option B. Recent nasal injury. Option C. CA esophagus. Option D. Esophageal varices. And the answer is option C. CA esophagus. And in case of cancer esophagus, patient may suffer from dysphagia and it's an indication of NG tube insertion. Contraindications for NG tube insertion are esophageal varices, recent nasal injury, coagulation abnormalities, midface trauma. Question number 9. Which of the following is not a fat-soluble vitamin? Option A, vitamin A. Option B, vitamin E. Option C, vitamin K. Option D, vitamin C. And the answer is option D, vitamin C. Fat-soluble vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. Question number 10. Application of drug in skin is option A, induction. Option B, inunction. Option C, injection. Option D, insemination. And the answer is option B, inunction. Inunction is the application of drugs into skin. For example, application of ointment in skin.